Dear students, today we will start about test on bitumen. So we all know what is bitumen. Bitumen is a product used in constructing the bituminous pavements or flexible pavements. So the bitumen is basically a hydrocarbon material which we obtain from a process called fractional distillation. So by this process we get different grades of bitumen which have different properties. So to know the application or the purpose of producing different bitumen, we use a method called grading for the bitumen. So grading is used to characterize or classify the bitumen depending on certain properties. So currently we have in India viscosity grading, what is being used in India. Previously we used to use penetration grading. Penetration grading. In viscosity grading, we normally use viscosity as the grading parameter. In grading through penetration, we use the value of penetration as the parameter for grading purpose. Today we will study 4 different tests. One is penetration test. Next we have softening point test. Next we have viscosity test. Then ductility test. Now each test has a specific application and importance in identifying the bitumen characteristic. So once we do all the tests from the bitumen, like testing penetration, viscosity and ductility and softening point, now we need to compare them with standard values. So for this we have different IS guidelines. One is IS 73 for viscosity graded bitumen. Viscosity graded bitumen. Then we have IS 17079 for CRMB bitumen, that is scrum rubber modified bitumen. Then we have IS 15462 for polymer modified bitumen. So in this laboratory class we will use one which is 30 bitumen and then CRB 60 bitumen for your experimentation. So when you get the results, we will compare how they are comparing to standard total values. Value of penetration, we take a bitumen of material whose grade to be known. Then we pour this bitumen on this particular cup which is called as penetration cup. Penetration cup. So once we fill this bitumen which is in a hot condition, we allow it for conditioning. So why do we allow for conditioning? We want the bitumen to attain a temperature of 25 degrees, which is standard temperature for grading using penetration value. So once you pour the bitumen in the penetration cup, allow it for conditioning for at least 1.5 hours. You allow for conditioning so that it can cool and the whole mass of bitumen can gain this particular temperature. So once the bitumen attains 25 degrees, the whole mass of 25 degrees, then what we do, we will keep this specimen in a penetration apparatus. So basically it consists of a needle, it's a standard needle, this is a penetration cup. So a needle is just made touch the surface. This is the needle. right? So on this needle, we'll place a weight of, total weight of 100 grams. So then you allow needle to penetrate due to the gravity. Let it penetrate the bitumen freely, right? Once it penetrates, this needle will penetrate certain depth depending on the bitumen hardness. So this is very important to note here. Depending on the bitumen hardness, it will penetrate. If it is very soft bitumen, it will penetrate more. If it is hard, it will penetrate less. So depending on this, what we do on this given surface, what you are seeing here, you will take the value at 5 different positions to take the final average value. So let's say we have this copy of the cup. We take around 5 points, right? Then we take the values of this penetration and find the average. So what we do initially, at this point, measure the initial value. Let's say this is 150, right? So the needle penetrates, there will be a change in the value. Let's say now this is 180. Now this is the initial reading. This is the final reading. The difference between them gives us the value of penetration, 180 minus 150. That is, we getting something called as 30 units. Now 30 units here stands for 3 mm penetration. Right? That means, let's say if you get a value of 40, then 40 here stands for 4 mm penetration. So on this basis we will grade the bitumen like different. Let's say if it is 60 by 80. 60 by 80 means the value of penetration of bitumen is between 6 mm to 8 mm at 25 degrees. Right? Similarly, if it is 30 by 40, then it is 3 mm to 4 mm at 25 degrees. So you can see here, this is having a higher value of penetration, this is having a lower value of penetration. That means this is the softer binder, softer in relation to this binder which is quite harder. So depending on this, we will select the bitumen. If it's a very high temperature or very heavy traffic roads, we go for a harder binder. Similarly, if it's a cold temperature, then we go for a softer binder. So on this basis, we will use this particular test to grade the bitumen and select particular bitumen.
First heat the bitumen on a heating plate. Just pour the bitumen into the penetration cup. Then the bitumen is allowed to cool down for 60 minutes at room temperature. After that, we will put it in water maintained at 25 degrees Celsius for 60 to 90 minutes. Then adjust the equipment such that the needle just touches the bottom of top of this surface to reading. Now the initial reading is 0. Then start the equipment. After 5 seconds of drop, it will automatically stop. Now note the final reading. The reading is now 63. We can say that our penetration value is 63. Repeat the same procedure at 5 different locations and take the average.